Yeah, you're always trying new stuff out. You're always trying to to figure out your audience, and so that your ads get put in front of people that actually care, right? Because that's the most, you have to be running targeted advertising, because otherwise they're just, you're not going to advertise your new metal single to a folk lover, right? Unless they love both, of course. But it's like you're not gonna advertise, well, this is basically for me, you're not going to advertise any like newborn parent stuff like diapers and stuff like that to teenagers that never will buy a diaper, because that's just wasted ad money, right?
Yeah, I don't get diaper ads yet.
I do.
Yeah, that's right. That's good. That's good.
But like, so from us, I have a few notes here on paid advertising. So like, it's all about scaling, having that strategy behind the ad. And then also, like, there's only one purpose for an ad, and it's to attract the person that you're trying to attract and repel everyone else. And you can be, like, you can be divisive, or you can have a very like be very, well, I guess, like, controversial in your ads sometimes, and that can maybe help you. Kind of, you put your what is it, flag?
Draw the line in the sand.
Yeah, you draw the line there and say like this is for these people. Like, I've written ads that are like, if you are a professional engineer making pro records and making money from them, this ad is not for you. And then I've also done, because my step-by-step mixing book and all the sort of like content and courses that I create, it follows a structured formula and a process, because I like to teach you a sort of a foolproof process that you can go through in order to get from like a rough production or a rough recording to a finished mix without playing around with plugins for hours, because I want you to finish your songs and release your records, right? So that's why I call my stuff systems and formulas, because they're designed for you to be able to plug your song into them. And that does not that's not something that people like to see on the internet. There's a lot of like angry curmudgeon engineers that say like, oh, there's a formula. No, yeah, right. Like, but that's the thing, is like, when they comment on those ads, and also if you're wasting time commenting on an ad on Facebook, you're really wasting your time. Like, that's not, you should do literally anything else to grow your career than be angry at an ad you saw on Facebook or Instagram. But those people, I'm not advertising to them. My ads may appear in front of them because they are tangentially involved with the topics that I am talking about, right? But my ads are not for them. And that's just what you really need to think about, is who you're trying to target and what change you're trying to make in there with your content for them.